smell like food. Thank you very much. I'm about to start the show. I'm Fred. Hi. My brother John. He's not high. So neither am I. I will be soon. I'm gonna play a song, and if everybody can do the anti-rain dance, it's just like the rain dance, but it's backwards. You know the rain dance? Yeah, it's like that, but it's backwards. So you gotta kind of get your legs out to the side. No, anti-rain dance. Everybody's doing it, and if you're not doing it, you're looking stupid. Everybody's doing it.
Hold that and the umbrella. Drop it.
Only the people that aren't doing it are looking stupid. That means you jelly bean.
Do it, jelly bean. Stop the rain.
My own niece doesn't know how to dance. It won't work until you do it.
Do it so it'll work.
Let the sun come out for solstice. Let the sun come out for solstice. You've got 24 hours. We're giving you a long chance. Everybody's doing the anti-rain dance. Except for her.
My knee hurts.
Yeah, mine too. Okay. Well.
Oh, your own song failed.
Okay, so I'll start with the first trick.
Okay.
Hold that. First trick.
I'm sorry.
In the rain, who would have thought? Alaska.
I know, right?
I got a lot of power today because I ate some pizza with jalapenos. So I'm going to do a show that's about balance. So the first trick is I'm going to balance this hat on the stick. Everybody say ooh.
Ooh.
No. Everybody except for Eric say ooh. Balancing the hat on a stick. It's a bit harder because I get rain in my eyes. Oh yeah, everyone put your hands up. But everyone is not holding a camera or something.
Or umbrella.
Because if the stick falls, it's better to catch it with your hands than your face.
Oh.
Okay, with your hands up, with your fingers, go like this. Oh, that's slippery stuff. It's gonna hurt. Okay, everybody, ooh.
Ooh.
Ta-da!
Ah. Yay.
Okay, if you can't tell, I'm making it up as I go. I had a big plan if it wasn't raining, but it was raining. Okay, next trick. I'm gonna need something a bit more. You want to see something more dangerous?
No.
Yeah.
No, I don't want you to hurt. I don't want you to hurt.
Aw, nice.
Okay. I'm going to need something dangerous.
I know.
My fist.
Do we have an axe? Do you have a hatchet? A hatchet.
I know our next one.
Let's wait for a hatchet. I'll play another song.
Anti-rain dance.
You want to do the anti-rain dance again? See if it works?
I can't do it. My knee really hurts right now.
Okay, let's try a different anti-rain dance. Let's play. You have to hit your feet with your hands when you do this. So it makes a rhythm. So everybody, anti-rain dance, hit your feet. 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 You gotta get the rhythm. Get the rhythm. Get the rhythm. Watch out with the hurt. And now everybody jump.
I can't.
Everybody jump. I think it's working. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Take a break.
No.
Everybody know the real anti-rain dance?
No.
Let me see. Spin around in circles 3 times. What's that tree? Whoa.
I suggest you land that. It's the best balanced, most sharpened, most wonderful one we have.
Mom, is it okay if I play with this?
No, be careful, Fred.
I'm the broom person. It's gotta be dangerous.
It's too dangerous, Fred.
What are you doing?
It's like a pumpkin.
Is this really sharp?
Yes. I've been killing nads on it. It might be okay.
Okay, now I need a piece of wood.
The one behind me.
A little piece of wood.
I'll bring a piece of wood.
Let's see if this axe is really sharp. To prove to you that it's a real axe.
Too small. Can't see them. Oh, you're invisible.
Okay, I survived the axe. Please take this away from me. Something more dangerous. Everybody say ooh.
Ooh.
Except for her. Okay, anyone have any of those bug killing things?
Yep.
Because I need 3 of those. Bug killing implements. More dangerous than the axe. That axe can't kill a single mosquito.
Yes, it can.
I dare you.
They're in one of the chairs over there, but he didn't want the new one.
Okay, everybody watch out. When she starts killing mosquitoes with the axe, get out of the way. Let's have an applause for no mosquitoes.
Yeah.
No, I want open ones. Open ones? There's one.
Yeah.
There's
Well,
one in
open
the
them.
kitchen, no?
Open them. You can open them.
Can you get the one out of the kitchen?
Is that one working?
Yeah, okay, these things aren't so dangerous yet.
You have to find the kids. They're the ones who are
Thank you very much. One, two.
You hold this for me, Terry? I'm going to turn this video off and turn it back on
Now,
when it's time.
turn these on, you have to push the button.
Oh, well.
Here, push the...
You going to hold it for me?
So I'm going to duct tape the buttons down so that they're constantly on. Can you hold those? This is my friend Tyler. Everybody give Tyler a big hand. He's the best dancer out here. Taylor, I mean. Well, let's give Tyler a big hand anyway. Whoever he might be. But this is Taylor, so give him a really big hand. All right, Taylor. Right. You got to point out where that button is. Take down that button. Is it on? Can you tell everyone it's on?
It's on.
Anyone doesn't believe it's on, you can test it with your tongue. Okay, I need another volunteer. Hey, whoa. Another volunteer. Can you stand on the other side of Tyler? Taylor? Never. No, can you hold the one that's on? Can you hold it kind of far away from it? No, don't hold it that way. Hold it this way, yeah.
Don't hold it in the rain.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, Noah, can you hold the other one? Yeah, keep it away from my brother. He doesn't have insurance. Don't tell anybody, because I heard you get a fine if you have insurance. Right? Okay, can you hold it in the last one? Okay,
The red light is on. That means it's on.
is it really, really on? Well, let's just assume that one's on too. Can you hold the duct tape?
Hold on, let me check. It's on too.
Is it on?
It's on.
Good one. Okay, give me all 3. Okay. Thanks. Give the kids a big hand. Thanks, Nick. Yeah, you can take that with you. It's a souvenir. Yeah. I found it over there. Okay. Now I'm going to need a volunteer. Someone really brave. Someone who's not afraid of anything. You guys are the same kids. Yeah, I take you. Just leave the axe. Well, you can bring the baby, but leave the axe. Okay, what's your name? Everybody, big hand for Ali. Ah! I don't know if I'll be able to do this trick, Ali. Can you consider it?
Everything better now?
Everything. Okay. I'm going to do this really dangerous trick. Get the pants done.
Good assistant, John.
It's so dangerous, I don't want you to see what I'm doing.
Even better.
I bring my axe back over here. No. Okay, can you see anything?
Nope.
Sure?
I can see my nose and your hand is
Zapping a bug. Don't put your tongue on it.
Okay, Ali, I'm going to ask you to sit down. Okay. Right here. My jacket down. Okay, lie back.
I can't see anymore.
Oh, I even got a color.
Okay, now for the dangerous trick. I don't get electrocuted. I'm going to juggle the 3 electroshock treatment over Ali. Everyone say, ooh.
Ooh.
Okay, Ali, don't move.
Okay, don't drop them.
There we go. Everybody help me out with a little rhythm.
Boom, 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 boom.
These things are working pretty good.
Yep, you got raindrops on them.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. If I drop them on you, you'll be dead. Ali, get up.
You're alive!
Okay? You can wear that one. Okay, you want something more dangerous?
Yeah!
Hopefully.
Oh, you got those?
Yes.
Okay, Ali, can you lay back down?
Okay. Why not? Should be fine.
And now.
Chainsaws.
Whatever it is, it's going to have to wait a second.
It's chainsaws.
It won't turn on anyway.
Okay,
Not actually as dangerous as it
if you have a chainsaw,
He's got
keep it
3.
away from me until I can see. 3?
3 chainsaws.
No, but these are more dangerous, you see. Electrical. Electrical. If it really rains and the rain hits these and it rains really hard, the lightning will jump between us all and we'll all die. So, thank you for not raining harder.
It's not raining hard.
Ali, are you still here?
Yep, same spot you left me, same position
Just keep
you
talking.
were before.
Ali, you lost some weight.
Yes, I have. Thank you for noticing. How do you like that cat? That's
Keep
so
talking.
good. You're good. There you go. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, that really is.
Ali, don't move.
All right, go ahead. You know
Okay.
what you're doing.
Everybody, don't make any sound. I have to listen till you talk. So I know what you want. Just keep talking.
Raindrops keep falling on my
I love
face.
that song.
While he's throwing electricity. Oh, this is cooler with no broken Way cooler. Hey, how you doing?
Ali!
That's cooler without a blindfold.
A big hand, the bravest girl in the woods. Here you go, here's your prize.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. A bigger hand, that's Ali. Okay, let's take the tape off of these things. Where's my volunteers? Okay, just hold that with 2 hands. Okay, you can hold one. You can hold one. You can take the tape off.